Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. Every day, I read something in English. It can be a story or a short message. I read it aloud. I focus on each word. My voice becomes more confident. I read in front of a mirror. I see my face and my mouth. I speak clearly. I feel proud when I speak English. Reading aloud makes me happy. Sometimes I read English with a friend. We take turns to read aloud. We help each other. We learn together. It is fun to practice this way. I choose easy sentences to read. I repeat them many times. I remember the words. I try to use them when I speak. This is how I grow. When I read aloud, I feel brave. I speak more and more. I feel strong inside. I know I am learning. I know I am getting better every day. I like to read short stories aloud. I act like the characters. I change my voice for fun. This makes reading exciting. It helps my English too. Even 5 minutes a day is good. I read aloud before I sleep. I read aloud when I wake up. It becomes a habit. It becomes my daily practice. Speaking English is my goal. Reading aloud helps me reach that goal. I believe in myself. I speak with love and joy. I will never stop learning. Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence.